Special occasions are important moments in life like anniversaries, graduations, retirements, and funerals. These events help us express our feelings in English. Today, we learn simple phrases to talk about these meaningful times. Special occasions stand out from normal days. They bring people together to celebrate or remember. Anniversaries celebrate lasting relationships. Graduations mark educational success. Retirements honor years of work. Funerals remember loved ones who passed away. Anniversaries celebrate love and commitment. Say happy anniversary for a simple warm greeting. People say we have been married for 10 years today, or let's celebrate our work anniversary with dinner. Focus on togetherness, gratitude, and happy memories. Graduation celebrates years of hard study. Say congratulations on graduating to show pride. Tell someone I am so proud of you for completing your degree, or she gave a moving speech at her graduation ceremony. Talk about achievement and future dreams. Retirement honors long years of work. Say congratulations on your retirement, you have earned it. People look forward to traveling or spending time with family. After 30 years at the company, he retired last month. Show appreciation for their service. Funerals honor people we loved who passed away. Say, I am sorry for your loss to show sympathy. He will always be remembered fondly comforts families. The funeral was a beautiful tribute to her life. Always speak with respect and compassion. Here are the main phrases for each occasion. For anniversaries, say happy anniversary or 10 years today. For graduations, say congratulations or I am so proud. Retirement gets you have earned it. For funerals, say sorry for your loss or remembered fondly. Milestone means an important event in life. Tribute is something given to show honor. Achievement is something successfully accomplished. Sympathy means sharing someone's sorrow. These words help you talk about special occasions clearly. Practice these complete sentences. Happy 25th anniversary to my parents. Congratulations on your college graduation. Best wishes on your well-deserved retirement. I am so sorry for your loss. Say them out loud to remember the phrases. Special occasions express important emotions. Say happy anniversary to celebrate love. Use congratulations for achievements. Wish happy retirement for new beginnings. Offer I am sorry for your loss with compassion. Practice these phrases in real conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.